This is one of the easiest ways to make an extra $200 a day.
What are you doing?
Huh? My feet are sore. All the walking around we do, I broke one of my shoes. Good morning, ladies and gents. Just swiped a $40-something batch. I don't know exactly how much. We're gonna go ahead and bang it out, make that money. Start it late. Don't start late, start early. But I'm starting late again. I'm starting late again. Make sure you subscribe to the other channels if you haven't already. Team Run It Up. Look, we 2 carton, double carton it. I don't know what I got myself into. Let's get it. We bang that out. Var, how you fit all that in the Prius, bro? I got more space than y'all, bro. Check this out, man. More, I can stack stuff up if I wanted to. The Prius is like that. Y'all need to go get one. My bro got it. He got it. You got 551, 1 mile.
Yes.
You got. I know you got it. I knew you got it. I was driving, coming from a delivery. I looked down. This car swerved. I can't get it. Look at this. Hey, that's good job though. Good job though. That man got the 51 I seen. 1 mile 51. I don't know how many items. Batches like that, you don't even get a chance to blink. You watching this, Melky? I'm taking 100 sandwich right out of your mouth. You gonna see that hundo, you gonna be like this, it's gonna be like, oh, gone. And I'm gonna look at you like this. Gotcha. Gotcha, buddy. All right, so we back in the game. Just swiped a 46, double. Oh, look at all these groceries. Oh my goodness. Oh dang, did I just smush bread? So after delivering that 40 plus, we swiped the 68, baby. Let's get it. Look at that, it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. I'll take that all day. Give me another one. Give me another one after that, and another one after that, and another one after that. 68 plus, let's go Team Running It Up. We running it up. Green light, green light, green light! Put me in, coach. Put me in, coach. Put me back in. 32 2 miles. Easy batch. 26 items, I think it was. Easy.